What's up? I'm fixing cars, you know what I'm saying? Just fixing cars. What's up, gang? Look at that. Look, got this Chrysler 300, and I came to it. Bad starter, basically. Just real quick, I'm gonna show you how to test the starter. So this is my little jump box here. Power that on real quick. Basically, it's grounded. Got the ground going to the body. This gear right here is supposed to spin real fast and kick out, okay? And so I'm gonna put power to it now. The signal wire is right here. There's a little tab down the bottom. So when you turn the key, that's what gets power. So when I put power to it, I put power to it, and say it's barely kicking out and it's not spinning at all. So this is bad. We're gonna go pick up a new one, and when I get back, we're gonna be starting that thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at this starter. Advanced auto parts. Wait, there you go. Look at that one. It's brand new right there. Put that in there. Yeah, you know, I'm trying to. Gotta show them what's up. All right, so these Chrysler 300s, right? The starter, see that hole right there? See that hole? That's where the, boom, my finger pointing to it. That's where the starter goes. In order to get it in there, though, see this thing right here? It's the rack and pinion. So you gotta unbolt this, bolt off, and pull it out, right? And then it drops down. And then the starter, actually, you gotta squeeze it in through here. I know it's look crazy, right? But you gotta squeeze it in through this slot right there. When you move the rack and pinion like up and down, and then it go right in there, right there like that. All right, watch me work, baby. Look, so this is the rack and pinion, okay? Drop one bolt, right? Two bolts, boom. And then, see you up there? See their little red sticker? Boom, there's your starter right there, okay? So I just gotta tighten two bolts in the back, tighten up this cable, and then we'll be good to go. Put this back together, and start this thing up, you know what I'm saying? Start it up. Voila! Yeah! Yes, sir!